All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of break number 13, which is one of the NFL Red Zone card boxes. So we'll check the time, November 14th at 6:15 p.m. We're going to go over to the break, which we'll call the raffle, and type live. We have November 14th at 6:15 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize our names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Nick Roki. Spot number 6 is our winner. So, Nick, you get whatever is in box or break number 13 tonight, and that is your option of me sending it to you sealed or opening it live. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, November 14th, 6:16 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.